In the first video, I told you a story. Now, it's time to explain what it really represents. Because every element of this parable maps to a real financial concept that we will explain for each parable. The bridge represents the market itself. In finance, the market is agnostic. It doesn't reward intention. It doesn't punish belief. However, it tends to be both always right and unpredictable. It simply reveals structure. The blue sky represents long periods of calm. In finance, this is called a low volatility environment. When markets stay calm for too long, people stop pricing risk. Stability becomes an assumption. So what is volatility, to be clear? It's not chaos. It is simply change. The fact that even if the sky is blue now, it can be raining within the hour. The sky just cannot always be blue, just like it cannot always be just raining. The bridgekeeper makes a promise. In finance, this is called a deal, a contract, or an agreement, a promise that seems reasonable because nothing bad has happened before. The sky was just always blue. This promise is what markets call asymmetric risk. Basically, negative asymmetric risk is a promise that you cannot keep at a certain point. Regular gains against a probability of a brutal total loss. A promise, going too much against your interests if it goes wrong at a certain point. The first travelers cross without hesitation. According to them too, the sky was always blue, so they felt safe. In finance, this is known as naive extrapolation, the illusion that yesterday's pattern will persist simply because it always has. Short-term success creates a naive long-term confidence. More people follow. In markets, this is called herding behavior. The crowd does not validate safety, it only validates collective blindness. Most don't study the structure. They copy the outcome. Risk was never removed. It was simply ignored. In finance, this is the essence of risk mispricing. The market do not price the danger. Time doesn't eliminate risk. It only makes it harder to see. At what point does trust become presumption? And you? Is your confidence built on understanding risk? Or on the fact that nothing has gone wrong yet? The simple believe anything, but the prudent give thought to their steps. Proverbs chapter 14 verse 15.
He who is the maker of heaven and earth, we stand only because you hold. We know only because you remain. You never change, your grace is the same. King of glory, holy, full of mercy, yes, you